This is Tony with Restoration of Dickinson. We're here to keep you guys informed and hopefully entertained. What we're talking about today is identifying hidden water damages that you may not be aware of, okay? So this could be as simple as some water intrusion coming in over heavy storms, wind-driven rain. One of the telltale signs is discolored drywall. Typically when water runs through that material or the insulation above it, it'll have a browning effect. Did you know that you can actually identify drywall damage before it gets to the staining? If you have a small intrusion coming in and a small section of drywall is getting red, it'll turn a very light pink color, and you may be able to find and repair any damaged part to your roof or walls on the exterior of your home to prevent it from getting worse. We also have such things as AC drain lines that actually come into the house and are attached to the plumbing. Sometimes these can occur in the wall. So musky smells, signs of mildew around the base of the wall, discoloration going on, peeling or bubbling paint, cracks in paint that are not structural in nature. All of these things are telltale signs. If you have water intrusion going around a laminate floor, you'll typically see swelling at the edge of the interlocking boards. So you could also find delamination, bubbling and delamination around your cabinetry. Could be a sign of water damage going on behind those. It's very typical in Texas that you have hidden and unknown water damages and you don't find until you open up, and then you find a mess. So the idea is to be attentive and visually just be alert as you're walking around your home. It is very, very difficult and costly to find out these long-term damages that occur, and you don't know about it until you're actually walking around in water. I hope you found this informative. If you did and you liked it, please click that like button and subscribe. We got more videos coming your way. This is Tony with Restoration of Dickinson. If you have emergency needs, please find us on our Facebook, Google, or our website, rainbowrestores.com/Dickinson. You can also give us a call directly if you have questions or are looking for more information. We love to educate our community and our clients. 832-226-5656. Please give us a call if you need us.